Hello everyone. Today we are going to see a breakfast recipe, Batura and potato masala. Batura is something like Poori. Let's get into the video and check out the ingredients. Here I have taken 2 cups of plain flour. I'm going to add this in. And here I have taken 3 tablespoons of curd. It's not so sour. Check the sourness. If it is so sour, then your bature will be very sourful. So I am adding 3 tablespoons of curd. Mix this well. And if you have around 3 to 4 hours time to keep it, you don't have to add bicarbonate soda. Since I don't have the time, I'm going to add some bicarbonate soda. But if like for 1 kg of flour, it's enough if you add 2 pinches of bicarbonate soda, not too much. So mix this well. Now add in enough salt for this dough. Make sure you add correct salt. No need to add too much because anyway you are going to eat this with a curry. If you add more, it will be not tastier. So now I am going to add bicarbonate soda. So here I am going to add this much of bicarbonate soda. It's only a pinch of bicarbonate soda. If you have time, then you don't have to add this. My pressure cooker is on, so I am getting a sound from it. So now add enough water and make it into a dough, not a so soft dough like for chapati. This is for poori or bature, so we have to make quite harder dough. So let's see. Add little by little and make the dough. Since this is a bature, we are going to fry this. But if you want to go for healthier options, you can just put it in the tawa and take. It gives a slight taste of a naan as well. So you can use this for a dual purpose. At this point, be careful adding the water. Just wet your hand. We need to knead this dough until the dough is smooth. After working around with the dough for around 10 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes, now the dough is like this and it's very smooth as well. So now I am going to cover this with a cling wrap and leave it in a corner until I finish the potato masala. If you have a damp cloth, you can use that as well. I'm just going to leave it in a side. So here now I have taken all the items which I need to make potato masala. Normally this bature is eaten with chickpea curry or gravy. So that's why they call it chola bature. Chole means chickpea. But today I am going to make potato masala. This also goes very well with the bature. So now let's see how to make the potato masala. There are around 8 potatoes boiled, so I'm going to smash it a bit before I use it in the recipe. Let's make the recipe now. Now I have added oil in this pan. It's nice and hot. At this point I'm going to add the mustard seeds and the cumin seeds. And then the cardamom and the cloves. Cardamom is around 4 pots, and then cloves. And then go ahead and add in the ginger. I have taken around 1 inch of ginger. You have to use ginger and garlic in this recipe since we are using more potatoes. And also we are going to fry the bature. So if you want to be a bit healthier, you have to use more ginger and garlic so that you won't get any stomach upsets. So that you won't get any upset stomach. Let this cook. Keep it in a medium flame. If not, it tends to burn. Now that it has slightly browned, add in the curry leaves and the onions. I have taken a 1 large onion chopped. Add enough salt. When the onion is cooked, this is 1 small tomato. Add in the tomato and the turmeric powder. Add in little bit of water and allow this to cook. Now you can see the tomatoes are cooked well. At this point, add in the green chili. Green chili is always to your taste, how you want the dish to be spicy. Here I am using 4 green chilies, small green chilies, and 1 bird's eye chili. Bird's eye chili is very spicy, so I am using only 1. That's it. And here I have smashed the potatoes. You can have chunks like this and add in. In enough water, how you want your masala to be, the consistency. Check for salt at this point and add if you need it, if it is needed. So I have added around 2 cups of water. Now my potato masala is ready. Before switching off the fire, I am going to add half a cup of coconut milk. This gives a nice taste to the dish. Let it cook for about 1 minute. Now my potato masala is ready. I'm going to switch it off and add in coriander leaves. So this is done. Now let's go to the bature. So now the dough is nice and soft. Let's take it out, and I'm going to do it in my worktop. So I'm going to divide it into small portions and roll it. I'm going to dust this with a little bit of plain flour. And don't go to make it so thin. It should be a little bit thicker. Then only it will pop up and it will be nicer to eat. Roll it out evenly and leave it here. These batures are comparatively bigger than the normal puris we make with wheat flour. So make it a little bit bigger. So let me show you after rolling everything. Now I have rolled everything. Now let's fry. The oil is nice and hot. You have to add more oil so that the whole batura gets soaked in the oil. That's when it will puff. So now let's see whether it's hot. We still have to wait for a while. Let's put the batura in. And press it well. It doesn't take too long to cook, so quickly you will have to act. Now we can take it out. Now the batura and potato curry is ready. Make this at home and enjoy with your family. Let me meet you with another interesting recipe.